Okay, last two problems. Sorry I couldn't squeeze them in on the last video. Find the unknown side length of the triangle given the perimeter. So these two sides are going to be exactly the same. So I have to take 48, subtract 18 from it. Okay, that's going to give me 30 inches, but those 30 inches have to go for both of these sides. So if I take the 30 inches that I have left over for those sides and I divide by 2, since those sides have these markings on them, it means it's going to be exactly the same. That'll give me that both of those sides are going to be 15 inches. All right, so the unknown side lengths here are going to be 15 inches for this side and 15 inches for this side. And then the next one says find the value of x, and the missing angle measures then classify the triangle based on its angle measures. So we know the angles have to add up to equal 180. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add up these three angles, so 3x, 2x, and 20, and I'm going to set it equal to 180, kind of similar to the whole supplementary problems that we were doing last week. 3x and 2x is 5x plus 20 equals 180. Subtract the 20 from both sides. 5x is equal to 160. Divide by 5. So if I do 160 divided by 5, that's going to give me 32. So x is equal to 32 degrees. So find the value of x, done. Find the missing angle measures. So I know one angle is 20. This angle is going to be 3 times 32, which is going to be 96 degrees for this angle, okay, because 3 times 32 is 96. And this is going to be 2 times 32, which is going to give me 64 degrees. Okay, so those are my three angles there. So that's done. And then classify it based on its angles. So 96 degrees, that's an obtuse angle. Okay, that is an obtuse angle right there, which means that makes this an obtuse triangle. All right, awesome. If you have extra time, feel free to go ahead and get started on the homework or the IXL for this week. If not, I will see you during our live Teams meetings. Thanks, guys.